So let's try to break the answer for this question. So how to control BOM prices at item level. That means the question clearly says that how do you control pricing for BOM, okay, at item level. The answer is item category. B is the correct answer. There is no link between pricing control, okay, uh, like um, okay, item category group. Actually, item category group for item category determination, there is no relation with, but item category properties, the definition, it will says the price tick mark, okay. Item level, how do you control, is controlled by item category, okay. Next, BOM condition records, there is no relation between BOM condition records. It is specifically talking about the attributes, the property, the quality of the code, what is behind to control item level pricing, that is for item category only, okay. Single level BOM, there is no relationship. High level item category, again no relationship. And multi-level BOM, there is no relationship, okay. Whether you take single level BOM or multi-level BOM, if you would like to control the pricing, that should be at item category. So the answer is B. None of the above is also wrong answer, okay. Okay, if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel. This is my YouTube channel. I'm just providing links of all my courses below this video. If you really wanted to have that seriousness to get the job and work at your best in real time, this is the right forum for SD consultants. You can give it a try. Okay, thank you so much. I wish you all the best. Jai Bharat. Have a great day. Bless you all.